Hello guys, welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, I'm going to solve question 2 of ICSE 2017 question paper. Okay, question 2 is part 1 says a keyword used to call package in the program. So this is import. Okay, any one reference data type. So this can be class, arrays, either of it. Okay, reference data type means the changes done in somewhere else are reflected back in the original object. Okay. Then part A is done. Part B, we move on to question 2b. Two ways of invoking functions. So one is call by value, the other is call by reference. Okay. Okay, and then we move on to part C. State a data type and value of res after the following is executed. Okay. So ch is small t and result is character dot to uppercase. So to uppercase converts a letter into uppercase. So result equals to T. So you write T as the answer. So part C is done. Moving on to part D, give the output of the following program segment. Also mention the number of times the loop is executed. Okay. So we have A, B, and this is the loop. Okay. So we have A, B, the condition A is less than 24, and another condition A% B. So you start with A is start with 6, B starts with 4. Okay. And general flow of for loop is like this. So you start with 1, you go to 2, for false you go to 5, for true you go to 3, then to 4, and then back to 2. You can level 1. So this is level 1, the initialization part. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and 5, and this is the flow of the for loop. So after 1 it goes to 2, so it checks the condition. So a is less than or equal to 24. So 6 is less than or equal to 24 is true. Okay, control goes inside the for loop. A% B. So A% B is 6% 4, which is equals to 2, which is not equal to 0. So the loop does not break. We go to 4. 4 at 4, A is incremented. A is equals to A plus 6, so this becomes 12. B stays the same. We check the condition again. From 4 we go to 2. So A is less than or equal to 24. 24 is less than 12 is less than or equal to 24 is true. Okay, we go inside the loop. If A% B, so A is 12, B is 4%, 24 is equals to 0, which is true. The loop breaks, so we come to 5. Okay, so the loop ran only twice. Okay, so number of times, so loop runs 2 times. Okay, and output is A. So A, the last value of A was 12, so A is equals to 12. Okay, so you don't write something like this, just write 12 so that this output is imitated. Okay, part D is moving on to part E. So ch is equals to f, it says m is equals to ch. So we all know that character constants in Java are associated with ASCII values, which are integer values. So since a is 65, so f will be 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay, so m is equals to ch, so m is equals to 70. Okay, since m is an integer, so whatever be the part of ch will go into integer, part of ch goes into m. Then m is equals to m plus 5 is equals to m is equals to 70 plus 5 is equals to 75. Okay, and then we print ln m plus ch. So m is 75, ch is f. So this is what is printed. So this was the solution to question 2. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.